guys, welcome to my channel, and today this is the last video of the Python programming tutorials, and in this video we're going to be talking about file handling, like how you can handle other sorts of file like CSV, TSV and Excel or other files. So let's dive right into it. Let's show you the file first. We have this favorite file here, favorite TV shows. We have a timestamp here, we have a title here of the TV shows, and we have genres. So let's first import the module that we are going to use to handle the CSV files, and that is import CSV. So what we are going to do here is, actually I didn't plan this video, and what I'm going to do now is just, I'll think right now and I'll do this with you. So try to understand, and let's go then. So first we will have to import the file. So let's import with open. Don't worry about this with open anything. I'm going to explain each and every word to you. So let's import the file here and make it the read. So it's this art keyword telling that okay, we are going to read this file, and if you write W here, okay, we are going to write this file, but we are just going to read it. And as file, we are going to use it as a variable file. What this with keyword will do is it will open this file, and as soon as the code, as soon as this piece of code completes, it's automatically going to close this file. Okay, so now what should we do? We should, okay, let's make a reader here. What we are going to do is we make a reader that will read this file, and that is CSV Reader. We also have other sorts of reader, but now we are going to use this reader, and I'll also use the other one, that is a Dictrader. So let's this file. So let it iterate over the over a single row. So row in reader and print row. Okay, as you can see, this is the same that we saw in the file that I showed you, that favorite TV shows. But as you can see, we have timestamp, we have titles, and we have genres. The main thing that we want here that we're going to play with is titles. So let's use the index, that is 1, and we have the title. As you can see that we have this header too. So this reader is not that much intelligent as comparable to the Dictrader. I'll be showing you what that Dictrader can do. So we can skip the first line, we can use next and read. Okay, so we have all these titles here. So now what we're going to do is, okay, let's copy, and now we are going to use the Dictrader. I like to use the Dictrader. This reader is not just that intelligent. Okay, as you can see, we have so many titles here. So let's use a Dictrader. In Dictrader, we don't need to use this next reader. It's that much intelligent that it will just give you the, okay, if you run this, we're gonna get the error here, because okay, that does not have a Dictrader. I think it's like this. Okay, so key error 1. In reader you use index, but in Dictrader it's so convenient that you just use title. You just use the name of the column. Just try to imagine if you have 20 columns in a file, and if you can just go and count each and every column. Okay, this is the 7th column, this is the 7th index, so I'll have to put the 7th index there. You just write the name of the column and you get the answer. Okay, so we have the same answer as before. So now what we're going to do is we have some redundancy here. The office, you can see that it's in small and it's in upper letter, so let's make them upper. Each and every word will be in the uppercase. Okay, it's here, the office, but okay, so what we can do now, okay, how can we, have you heard about the set? What set can do? Set can just, it will filter those redundancy, those if you have the same two values here, what set will do it will make a 1, and it will remove the second one, the second same one. So let's use the set we are using the set here, and what we will do here is we will add this to that set. Titles dot add. You can use add, and that will add each and every value to the set. So let's print this set for title and titles. Print title. Okay, so we have planet Earth, Soul Eater, and all those. I mean, it's not like that you can't. I mean, this Mr. Robot and Mr. Robot. I mean, anyone who wrote this, I mean, he's a great man. Yes, he's a great man. He doesn't know the difference between a robot and a robot. Okay. Let's find something if there has any other redundancy. Let's see. I can't seem to find anything. Okay. I guess there is nothing like that. Oh, what is this? Peaky Blinders. Shigatsu wa Kimi no So. Oh my god, that's Japanese. That's total Japanese. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to take an input. I mean, let's forget about the input here. Let's count how many are there, how many people have entered the same title. For that we are going to use dict, because as you know, the dictionary stores the key and value pairs. So the key here will be the name of the titles, and the value will be the number of counts. Sorry. So what we will do here now? Okay. Title. Let's do title. Okay, let's do this title, and if title and titles, just do titles. Title. Don't worry about this. I'll be telling you what it is. 1 else title is equals to 1. Okay, what it's going to do is for it, I mean, let's say if you have 3 title planet Earth, and the first one you already have in that dictionary, and the another one comes again, so this condition becomes true, and it will plus 1 there, plus 1 into the previous one. And if you do not have any title there, so it's going to create a new one there. So let's print it for title and titles. Let's print title. Okay, so only one person, so Panisha in the office. Okay, 23, that's great. Breaking Bad, okay, 20 people likes Breaking Bad. New Girl, 3 people likes New Girl, 1 people like Archer. Okay, so I mean, I can't read that like that. Okay, this PTB, let's sort them. And Python has a simple basic function to sort values. Let's just do sorted, and it's done. Okay, so first it starts with number, and this starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and to the other. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, I mean, okay, let's see what is the, I mean, we can, okay, you can see that there is something wrong here. We have 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 1, and then 2. I mean, like say we have 10,000 values, and if you want to see, okay, which one has the highest rating, which one has the highest view count, I mean, we can just go down and down, count each and every one, see each and every one, which one has the highest one. So let's sort it by a key. This sorted has a key value where we can use let's create a function here which will give us something new. Let's define just function f. What it's going to do is, let me tell you. Okay, what should we do here? What should we do? Return title. Okay, it will just return that number, and if we use that function here, let's use this one. Okay, remember one thing, we are not calling this function. This key parameter will call it automatically. We do not have to call it. Okay, because we are going to apply this to each and every value. If we call it, it will just be applied to a single value. So, and let's make it reverse is equals to true. So okay, you have something here, Game of Thrones. 33 people likes it, 26 people like Friends, 23 people like The Office. As you can see, it's in a descending order, like 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1. Okay, we do not have any mixing here. So let's do something new here. I mean, okay, we have 23, 26. We are just seeing, okay, let's say you have 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh entries there. So what we are going to do next is we are going to create something that user input the title and you get the number of views. So let's copy this one and we're going to create in the below. Okay. We have a new cell now here. Okay. So let's make title as an input. I mean, if you know what input is, that's great. If you don't know input, this input keyword will let you enter the specific value, anything you want to enter for the program. So let's make enter title and let's make it upper. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we are removing this and we'll make a counter. Okay, if we are going to count something, we will have to make a variable that will count it. So we will set counter to 0 and this title. So let's make a condition here. If this title is equals to titles, I mean you write the title, if you input some title there, if that title matches to the title that is in the file, it will count the title and then returns it with the count. Okay, if it's equal to the title, then counter plus equals to 1. I mean, every time it hits the same value, it will increase the count and it will print the count. Okay, we don't want to do anything here, so let's comment this one and let's print. Okay, we do not this one here, we do not this one here. We are just printing the counter. Okay, just printing the counter. Okay, so let's try the title. As I told you before, I mean, when I run the earlier cell, the first title was Game of Thrones and the number of counts was 33. So let's write Game of Thrones. Okay, so it shows us, okay, 33 people like Game of Thrones. And what about Friends? Okay, 26 people like Friends. So let's try something new that we don't know. Okay, I saw something like Madman. I guess it was Madman. No, it was not Madman. I don't know what was that. Okay, let's write Breaking Bad. Okay, 20 people like Breaking Bad. I mean, there's so much if you want to do with the file. You can just play around and do a lot of things. If you understand the basics of the programming language, you can just do anything. Try to play with it. I'll be giving you this file too, and this concludes everything here. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.